Another rise and shine with cloudy mixed thoughts. Another fine ass gag for me to dust off. Another day, another dollar, you know how it go. Another snitch got his ass within the body, yo. Another trother trying to pull me over, slow my roll. Another G for the bail that I'm letting go. I make another stack with another show. Another crowd on their toes for the homegrown. Another sick ass move, I'm marking with the groove. They be talking about noise, yeah, it's so cool. My influence will impact even haters, fool. So where you from, A? Northwest or W? So what you know about that? The area code on the map. And it's cause fellas blowing up the motherfucking track. We raise the roof, then like layback says we let it drop. Another honey bout to bust when I hit the spot.
Another morning comes, another night gone. Another name without a face in my telephone. Another place, another stage, a different time zone. It's always room 509 no matter where I roam. Another morning comes, another night gone. Another name without a face in my telephone. Another place, another stage, a different time zone. It's always room 509 no matter where I roam.
Vegas how we living, baby. Come and check the room. Cinco settle nueve, ain't checking out till noon. Another one's coming, I hate to kick you out so soon. I gotta wash myself off, I'm smelling like perfume. Entice me with your lip gloss. Running this game, I'm something like a pit boss. If you don't follow the dough, but if you follow my flow, and if you keep it on the low, we can get lost. It takes a search team to find ya. Don't worry, girl, I'm right behind ya. Fucking with the gangster, no mind ya. Saying silly things that remind ya of singing them sad songs. Left with foggy memories, bottles and black thongs. Yeah, we were that gone. Touching, fucking, or rubbing, it really is that wrong? It really ain't that wrong. Maybe gone, baby, not forgotten. I'm moving faster than 80s of Oxycontin.
Another morning comes, another night gone. Another name without a face in my telephone. Another place, another stage, a different time zone. It's always room 509 no matter where I roam. Another morning comes, another night gone. Another name without a face in my telephone. Another place, another stage, a different time zone. It's always room 509 no matter where I roam.
From a hole to the moat, take a hit, spit a flow. It's the same 3 digits posted up on the dough. Silent Noise got the girls, Benny G got the drink. Nia got the fitties, vodka condoms and dang. Now we here, so let's get gone. Bump into this song. Trigger bitches like another whip, I put rims on. Guess it depends on when I wanna get some. Black, white, Puerto Rican, next to the stage, young. Need for a rush, I'll be up in them guts. Right now I'm about my buzzing, later titties and butts. Now you see what's on my mind, drink Wheaties and rhyme. Couple bitches doing dishes, getting riches and crime. Take a look at the sign, you get yours, I'll get mine. Take a photo, little Hoto, we the last of our kind. Always room 509, like the coke with the lime. Yeah, we loop it, then record it, kill the beat with the rhyme.